Thank you, Jera. I came to realize that so long. So lovely. Well done, Jera. Thank you so much. No wonder Hao Xuan didn't respond. So Hao Xuan, I was calling you. Okay. So 0.7 and 0.007, which is the greater value to minus? Come on, put your response in the chat function. Yeah. 0.7, good. Yes, good job. All right, so 0.7, I must minus my 0.007. You must respond very fast, the faster you respond, the more time we have for Kahoot, okay? If you don't respond and keep asking, you waste a lot of seconds, okay? So I call this holding place. I regroup. So do you have 0.693, which is B? Which is B here. Okay. Okay, next slide. Linda bought 2 pens for each value, 2 pens at 395. He gave the cashier a $10. So you have to use 3.95 cents to multiply by 2. So you should be able to do now multiplication 19 and $7.90. However, you need to use a $10 to minus 7.90. Okay. Who else? Oh, yo, no response from the chat function already. I don't ask nobody participate. 8, sorry. This is 10. Okay. So this is 1 and 2.10 cents. Good. Thank you, Ivan. Next question. A rectangular piece of paper is folded along the dotted line as shown. So meaning to say, if I were to do this, what can you say? You see something that is being like, folded? Do you see something here folded? Let's take a look. Here. Right? So this one and this one is the same. Here is a 90 degree, right? It comes from this corner. So this P must be the same as this P, right? So this is 34. And you know that this is a right angle at the corner. So how are you going to find, how are you going to find this? This is a right angle, which is 90 degree. Okay, so this P will make up 2P first. So I need to find 2P. So let's go. Okay, 2P will be 90 minus 34. That will give you 56 degree. Okay, for this 56 degree, I must divide by 2 to get 28 degrees. So P is 28, A is 28 degrees. And what is your answer? B. Great job. Okay. B. Next question. Question number 4. Rearrange in ascending order. Oh, this one we did before. Remember I say this one we're supposed to change them into what? Whether it's a common fraction, I mean not say common fraction, it's a fraction, or change all to decimal. In here, changing to decimal is easier because what is a quarter? 0.25. So this one will get down to 2.25. 3/4, 2.75. Right? So remember in the other time what we did was we had this thing called what? Who can tell me what am I drawing? Anyone? What am I drawing here?
Decimal chart.
Good. Ivan was with me for the past last lesson. Okay, so I have since I have only a whole number, so I put my decimal here, cannot? Decimal. So this one will be tens, hundreds, and here will be thousands. And here will be ones and tens. So I have 2.25. So I write 2.25. I have 2.205. I have 2.075. 2.75. Oh, what are these things called when I put a zero? What do I call this? Start with H. Forgot. We call this holding places because it actually can hold zero, a lot of zero. Okay. So now let's check. If I look at my highlighter, I have all the 2, 2, 2, 2, nothing to compare. So you take a look at the second value. What do you see in the second value? You have 2, 2, 0. So 0 is the smallest, right? So I put here S size. Remember we say S size. Then I'll look for medium size. For medium size, take a look at this. I want to change this to comparing here. Okay, since this is S, 2, 2, here is a 5, here is a 0. So which one is smaller? I will write them as medium. 0 is smaller. So 2.0, 2.20, 2.25 is large. So we put there small, medium, large. So this one must be extra large. Right now. So I put here large, medium size, S size, extra large. Correct? So, sorry, I should write on top. Better. Okay? So having done here, what can I do? I can rearrange the smallest one first. So smallest one will be here, S size. Write the original, followed by M size, followed by L size, and followed by XL size. Okay? So far, so good. Next one, question 5. Am I too fast? No, Lucy can catch up. Can, Gerald can catch up or not? Can. Abigail, are you able to catch up with me? Am I too fast?
No.
Okay, Hong Ye. Hong Ye, I saw you do your homework. Very good. Okay, so I have 5. Only Selena not here. Okay, question number 5. Let's proceed to this page. Patrick had $32.40. So this is what he has at first before spending. So he paid for a toy plane and he has enough money to buy 4 similar photo frames. They were all the same price, so you are supposed to find one frame. So first thing first, if I have a model ruler, I'll draw $32.50 for the entire amount that he has. So this will be $32.40. And $15 will be somewhere here. And he go and buy a toy plane. I put here toy. Okay. Which cost $15.80. And what he did was he bought 4 photo frames, which is the same price for each of them. So you need to find the price for each of one. before that, you need to find this portion here. So you need to have $32.40 to minus away your $15.80. Okay, I'm not going to show the working because you need to show it yourself. Okay, 15.8, that will give you 16.6. Okay, and this is meant for 4 photo frames. So in order to find 1, you have to divide it by 4. And that will give you $4.15. Okay? Do you get 415? Wait. $4.15. That is meant for each. Okay? So for this, each here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So far, okay? Anyone still need the slide? Don't have, okay. Question number 6. Dora had 3 meters of ribbon and she gave 1/3. Okay, so 1/3 of the ribbon to her brother he used to decorate and he wants to know how much is left. Okay lah. So imagine this is the length of ribbon that she has. Okay, and then let's see 3 meters. Okay, gave 1/3 to her brother. So 1/3 will probably be somewhere here. 1/3. 1/3. Here to here will be 2. Right? So meaning to say you divide it into 3 parts. 1 meter is given to brother. Okay? So then he left with 2 meters. Where's the 2 meters? From the whole thing here to here. So I have this. So for the 2 meters, he used 90 cm of the remaining to decorate. So 2 meters is whatever there. You must minus 90 cm, which you have 200 cm. Change it to cm. Okay, so what will you get? Sorry. Wait. It's here. 110. Okay. Any question so far? No, Question 7. If you think you need the slides to write or do anything, do stop me first, okay? Okay, look at the patterns shown below and what is the total number of dots in pattern 25? Oh, so you can see what happened here is, let's take a look. You have 1 white dot for figure 1. You have this one here. Okay, meaning to say here got 1, so you put here 1. Here you have 2, so your white dots will be 2. If this is 3, then your pattern 3. White dot also 3. So you have 25, so you must have how many black dot here, white dot here? You must have 20. Agree, And then black dots, you look. For each white one, you have 2. So this is a multiple of 2. Can I say this is 1 times 2 is 2? 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. Do you see the pattern there? 4 times 2 is 8. And now it's 25. Figure number 25. When you times 2, you should get 50. Right? So in terms of the total dots, what must you do? How you get to 3? Let's take a look. I'm going to change this color. How to get to 3? 1 plus 2 equal 3. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3 plus 6 equals 9.